7 Money Habits Keeping You Poor, and How to Break Them. Intro. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle financially year after year? Many people believe the biggest reason they're not wealthy is because they don't earn enough money. While income certainly matters, the truth is that millions of people with decent salaries are still living paycheck to paycheck. The real difference often comes down to habits. Small financial decisions made every day can have a massive impact on your future. Some habits help build wealth, while others quietly destroy it. In today's video, we're going to reveal 7 money habits that keep people poor and, more importantly, how you can break them and start building a stronger financial future. Let's get started. Habit number 1, living beyond your means. One of the most common financial mistakes people make is spending more money than they earn. This habit often starts small. Someone gets a raise at work and immediately upgrades their car. They get a bonus and spend it on expensive gadgets. They receive extra income and increase their lifestyle instead of increasing their savings. This is known as lifestyle inflation. As income rises, expenses rise as well. The result? No matter how much money comes in, there never seems to be enough left over. Many wealthy individuals don't become rich because they earn extraordinary incomes. They become rich because they consistently spend less than they earn and invest the difference. If you're serious about improving your finances, start asking yourself one simple question before making purchases: do I really need this, or do I just want it right now? Learning the difference between needs and wants can dramatically improve your financial situation. Habit number 2, not having a budget. Imagine trying to drive across country without a map or GPS. You would probably get lost. Same thing happens when people manage money without a budget. Many people have no idea where their money goes each month. They know how much they earn, they don't know how much they're spending on food, subscriptions, entertainment, shopping, and other expenses. Problem is that small expenses add up quickly. A few dollars here and there may not seem important, but over time can cost thousands of dollars every year. A budget doesn't restrict your freedom, it gives you control. One simple budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes toward needs. 30% goes toward wants. 20% goes toward savings and investments. Exact percentages aren't important. What matters is knowing where your money is going and making intentional decisions. Remember, if you don't control your money will control you. Habit number 3, relying on debt for everyday expenses. Debt can be useful when used wisely. However, using debt to finance a lifestyle you can't afford is a dangerous habit. Many people rely on credit cards for everyday purchases. They use debt to buy clothes, electronics, vacations, and other non-essential items. At first, it feels harmless. After all, the payments seem manageable. But interest charges quietly grow in the background. Before long, a small balance becomes a large financial burden. The problem with debt is that it steals future income. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that can't be used for investing, saving, or building wealth. Instead of using debt to fund your lifestyle, focus on living within your means. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. And whenever possible, avoid borrowing money for things that lose value over time. Financial freedom becomes much easier when your income belongs to you instead of your lenders. Habit number 4, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Medical bills appear unexpectedly. Jobs are lost. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. The difference is how people respond. Those without emergency savings often turn to credit cards or loans. Those with emergency funds can handle surprises without damaging their financial future. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net. It protects you from turning temporary problems into long-term financial disasters. Experts often recommend saving enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If that sounds overwhelming, start small. Even saving a few dollars each week can build momentum. The important thing is developing the habit. Over time, your emergency fund can provide peace of mind and financial security. Habit number 5, waiting too long to invest. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing they need a lot of money before they can start investing. As a result, they wait. And wait. And wait. Unfortunately, time is one of the most powerful tools investors have. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth. Compound growth means your money earns returns, and then those returns begin earning returns as well. Over many years, small investments can grow into surprisingly large amounts. Someone who starts investing at age 25 may end up with significantly more wealth than someone who starts at 40, even if the second person invests more money each month. The lesson is simple: don't wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are. Start with what you have. The amount matters less than developing the habit. The sooner you begin, the more time works in your favor. Habit number 6, buying things to impress other people. Many people spend money they don't have to impress people they don't even like. Think about it. How many purchases are made because someone genuinely needs something? And how many are made to gain approval, attention, or status? Luxury cars. Designer clothing. The newest gadgets. Expensive vacations posted on social media. There is nothing wrong with enjoying nice things. The problem occurs when appearances become more important than financial security. Many wealthy people don't look wealthy. They drive reasonable cars. They live below their means. They focus on building assets rather than showing off liabilities. True wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having financial freedom. The next time you're tempted to buy something expensive, ask yourself, am I buying this for myself, or am I buying it to impress someone else? The answer may surprise you. Habit number 7, never learning about money. Perhaps the most dangerous money habit of all is refusing to learn. Most schools teach mathematics, science, and history. Very few teach personal finance. As a result, many adults enter the real world without understanding budgeting, investing, taxes, debt, or wealth building. The good news is that financial education has never been more accessible. Books, podcasts, YouTube videos, online courses. There are endless opportunities to improve your financial knowledge. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. And better decisions lead to better financial outcomes. Successful people understand that learning is an investment, not an expense. Every new skill and every lesson has the potential to increase your earning power and improve your future. Never stop learning about money. It may become one of the most valuable investments you ever make. Conclusion. If you're struggling financially, don't be discouraged. The truth is that most people aren't held back by one massive mistake. They're held back by small habits repeated over and over again. The good news is that habits can be changed. Start by identifying which of these 7 habits may be affecting your life. Then focus on improving one habit at a time. Remember, spend less than you earn. Create a budget. Avoid unnecessary debt. Build an emergency fund. Invest early. Stop buying things to impress others. And continue learning about money. Small changes today can create a completely different future tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance and wealth building content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.